morning students. Next exercise 6.8 vector algebra. Coplanar. Conditions for coplanar is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, l1, m1, n1, l2, m2, n2 is equal to 0. This is the condition for coplanar. This is the condition for coplanar. Coplanar is nothing but a plane. If these two lines on the same plane, then these two straight are called coplanar. The given line is coplanar. If these two lines are present in the same plane, that is called coplanar. So, if it is 0, then it is called coplanar. For some, to prove given line is coplanar, they are given two lines. These two lines are coplanar or not, we need to prove. Before proving that, we need to show also to find the vector equation of this plane. So, how are we going to solve this problem? Very easily. Listen carefully. This is going to be our A vector. This is going to be our A vector. This is going to be our B vector. This is after S. We can go and choose a parallel vector, nothing but U vector. Just like a previous exercise 6.7. This is going to be after S, U vector. This is going to be our B vector, B vector. Now presented vectors. A vector. After A vector, B vector. B vector, U vector. After U vector, B vector. What is A vector here? 5 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 3 k cap. Next, B vector 8 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap. Next, U vector 4 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap. Next, 7 B vector 7 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap. 7 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap. If A vector I can write as x1 y1 z1. x1 y1 z1 is nothing but 5 comma 7 comma minus 3. Next, B vector I can write as x2 comma y2 comma z2 is equal to 8 comma 4 comma 5. 8 comma 4 comma 5. Next, U vector something but L1 M1 and N1. L1 M1 N1 4 comma minus 5. 4 comma minus 5. Next, B vector L2 M2 N2 is equal to 7 comma 1 comma 3. 7 comma 1 comma 3. Now first write the condition. What is the condition given here? First write this condition. What is the condition given here? Condition for coplanar. Condition determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, l1, m1, n1, l2, m2, n2 is equal to 0. If right hand side becomes 0, then it is coplanar. Take in RHS. LHS. Take LHS. LHS is something for this one. I want to prove RHS equal to 0 is equal to LHS. Determinant of x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. y2 minus y1. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. z2 minus z1. This minus will become plus. 5 plus 3 is nothing but 8. L1 M1 N1. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. L2 M2 N2. 7 1 3. 7 1 3. So I need to expand this one. What is the answer going to come? This is going to be plus. This is minus. This is plus. I am going to take LHS. I need to prove RHS. If answer comes 0, then it is coplanar. Next, 3. Open the bracket. 4 3s are 12. Always minus. 1 into minus 5 minus 5, which becomes plus 5. Minus into minus plus 3. Open the bracket. 4 3s are 12. Always minus. 7 5s are 35. Here minus, so become plus 35. Next, plus 8. 4 into 1 is 4 minus 7 4s are 28. 4 into 1 is 4. 7 4s are 28. Next, 3. 12 plus 5 is nothing but 17 plus 3. Open the bracket. 12 plus 35. What is 12 plus 35? It is nothing but 47 plus 8. Minus 28 plus 4 is nothing but minus 24. 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 carry over 2. 3 into 1 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. plus 3 into 47. 3 sevens are 21. Carry over 2. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Plus into minus, minus. 8 into 4. 8 fours are 32. 2 carry over 3. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 3 is nothing but 19. And both this. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 4, 9. This is 1. Here minus 192 is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. So what we need to prove that we got RHS. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, two lines are coplanar. Therefore, two given lines are coplanar. After finding the coplanar, what they ask it? Find the vector equation of a plane. You can find any vector equation. You can choose this one is first vector equation. What I can choose? If we want to find vector equation, what is the formula? We have 2 points, 2 parallel vectors. So I am going to choose 1 point and 2 parallel vectors. What is the formula? R vector is equal to A vector plus S into U vector plus T into V vector. What is A vector? 5, 7, minus 3. That is 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap plus S into. What is U vector? 4, 4, minus 5. 4i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap plus T into 7, 1, 3. 7i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap, where S comma T belongs to R. This is a vector equation. But in back, this is also correct. This one also correct, because we can use 1 point, we can use 2 vectors. Sir, you can use this point. You can use this point also. 1 point, 2 parameters. This one also you can use. You can use both, so no problem here. Next, what we can do? But in that case, they given in the parametric form. But what I told, in order to find the parametric form, the easiest way. What is the easiest way to find the Cartesian equation? To find the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation. What is the 1.2 vector? We can choose 1 point and 2 vector. What is the formula? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, l1, m1, n1, l2, m2, n2 is equal to 0. Determinant of x minus x1. x1 is 5, x minus 5, y minus 7, z plus 3. Determinant of 4, 4 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 5, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3 is equal to 0. Expand in R1y. This is nothing but plus, minus and plus. X minus 5, open the bracket. 4, 3 are 12. Plus into minus, always I need to put minus. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5, which is going to become plus 5. Next, minus of y minus 7, open the bracket. 4, 3 are 12, always minus 7, 5, 35, which becomes plus 35. Next, plus z plus 3, plus z plus 3, open the bracket. 4 into 1, 4, minus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 0. What we can do? X minus 5, 12 plus 5 is nothing but 17, minus y minus 7, 12 plus 35 is 47, plus z plus 3, 4 minus 28 is minus 24 is equal to 0. Now multiply. 17 into x is 17x minus 17 into 5. 7 5s are 35. Carry over 3. 5 into 1 5. 5 plus 3 is nothing but 8. 85. See, minus 47 into y. 47y minus into minus plus 47 plus 7. 7 7s are 49. Carry over 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is nothing but 32. 329. Minus 24z, minus 24z, plus into minus, minus, 3 4s are 12, carry over 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, minus 72 is equal to 0, arrange it properly, 17x, minus 47y, minus 24z, see, minus 85, minus 72, what comes here, minus 85, minus 72, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 7, 15, and even minus 157. This is 329. Therefore, 329 minus 157. 9 minus 7 is nothing but 2. this will become 12, this will become 2. 12 minus 5 is nothing but 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 172. 172 plus 172 plus 172 is equal to 0 is the required Cartesian equation, but they are given in the non-parametric form. Therefore, non-parametric form. What is the form of a non-parametric form? 1.2 vectors r vector minus a vector dot u vector cross v vector is equal to 0. What I told, it is very difficult to find. So the easiest thing, what I want to do, r vector dot, open the bracket, 17 I cap minus 47 j cap minus 24 k cap plus 172 is equal to 0. Otherwise, you can put 170 on the other side, so it will become minus 172. You can put anyway. You can put 172 or minus 172.